In this video I'm going to show you a simple way how to put a link in your TikTok bio. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first let's go to browser and copy some link. Here I can tap there at google.com and here I can tap there at URL once and hit add copy to copy that link to clipboard. Now I can go back to TikTok and all you have to do there is hit add your profile to actually open up your profile page, and now you can hit add edit profile button and it shows up that option. Here you have to find website feature, just hit on that, and now here you can make a one tap to bring up paste option, then hit on paste, and as you see now our link is here. I can hit on save, and now I set the website. I can go to my profile now, and as you see the link on the website is already here. That's all about how to put a link in your TikTok bio, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.